In this video, you'll learn how to create a unique list copy. So to do so is pretty simple. You just use the copy method. So here we have our same list again, list with two names. So list 1 references the list 1, 5, 10. List 2 is simply just another reference to that underlying list. So there's only one list object, but there's two names for it. And we can verify this again by saying list 1 is list 2. It is the exact same list that it's referencing underneath. Remember, you have to separate the name of an object from the actual object itself. List 1 and list 2 are names. The actual list object is 1, 5, and 10. So to create a new copy, that means, so really just duplicate the object somewhere else. It's sort of like if I wanted to make a clone of myself, somewhere else in the universe that was a separate object and was not me, we would do the copy method. So you do list1.copy. You could also do list2.copy. It doesn't matter. So this will create a new copy of that list somewhere else in memory and assign it to list 3. So let's go ahead and do this and look at list 3. The values will be the same, but if we do list 1 is list 3, are they referencing that same underlying list? Well, no, they are not. They just happen to have the same values. So there are two lists that contain the same values, 1, 5, and 10, but they're at different locations. Okay, so that's how you do a copy, is the .copy method.